Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. As I explained in my last video, I am visiting family for the Thanksgiving holiday. I hope you all had a fantastic Thanksgiving. So that is why I am in this different setting. I don't have my lights or anything, so it's a little bit of a different setup. But I will be back shortly to my regular filming space, so don't worry. And my other 3 boxes that all came late, they will all be unboxed together in my regular setting. Anyway, I'm going to unbox my Sephora Play box today. I did already take the points pass off of it and use it because I went and to the store during the 20% off extended thing, and I used it then double up by bonuses. They have these stupid plastic bags still, which I hate. They say they're recyclable. They are not. I don't know where you can actually recycle things like this, but it is definitely not anywhere that I am. And even I'm visiting family in Oregon, so it's a little darker today because, of course, it's been raining all day. And they are known for like being really on the cutting edge of recycling, and they don't recycle like anything anymore because of this trade war with China. Not even a trade war, but just like the recycling war. It's kind of ridiculous. So anyway, let's get into the package. The first thing is from Amika. This is a dry shampoo. I will not be using this because I do not use dry shampoo, so I'm passing that one along. Next is from Dr. Jart. This is a moisture retention shield, the ceramidin cream. I think this is supposed to be for people who are like really dry skin, and I have really oily skin, so far, but maybe I can use this on my hands. Like, my hands are really dry and starting to crack and everything, so maybe I can use it for that. Next is from Lancome. Why does nothing want to show up? This is, what is this? A Hydra Zen Anti-Stress Moisturizing Face Cream. So it's just a little sample. So 2 moisturizers. That's kind of interesting. Next is from Juliet Has a Gun. This is not a perfume. I think these are the ones that are just one single note. So spray it into the box and see what it smells like. I'm pretty stuffed up because I am allergic to dogs, and my aunt has a dog, so that's part of the reason why, one, she has us in the motorhome so that my allergies are not quite as bad, and I have a place of retreat to come. That smells okay. That I don't mind. It's not too bad. Next up is Laura Mercier, the setting powder. I like this, so translucent setting powder. Excited about that. It is a ridiculous price always, so I'm happy to have that. And then the last thing in here is from Grande Lips. This is a Hydro Plump Liquid Lipstick in Desert Peak. This looks like it might be a pretty nice color. Of course, I forgot to bring a thing to swatch. Oh, that is really nice. I like that color. It smells very, I don't know what the scent is, but whatever it is to plump your lips, it is very powerful. You can really smell it as you swatch it. That is a really pretty lipstick though. So I'm excited to try that. Oh my gosh, and now I've gotten swatches. I'm a mess. And I'm a little stuffed up because of my said allergies, even though I'm on allergy medication. Yeah, and I also have hurt my neck, so I can't turn my head and I can't do my hair, which has been really fun trying to, like, even, I have movement here, but this shoulder is all jacked up and I can't, like, move behind me. Anyway, let me know what you thought of Sephora Play. I think next month is going to be my last box, December. I feel like it's just kind of time. They have not had the best boxes lately. I did in my relationship with Glossy Box earlier this year. So we'll see. Maybe if December is like fantastic, I won't cancel it, but I'm really feeling like it is time to let it go. I hope you are all having a fantastic weekend. I can't wait to talk to you next time, and have a great day. Bye.